Hello amazing viewers, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website using Google Sites. Now we go to our Google Chrome, search for Google Sites, click on it. Now there are a lot of templates here to be used, but I personally like to create mine from scratch. Now I'm going to click on blank. You can see here that the website requires you entering your site name and your page title. Now for my site name, I'm going to use House Ara. You can also add logo, upload. You've seen it's right here. Now my title, I'm going to be using Bara's Collection. Now over here, you can decide what happens here. You can decide to change the font type. Use impact. Sorry, you need to highlight first. I'll use impact. You can change the font size, you can bold, you can do all those, but I'm good. I like how it is. Now the header type, you can also change it if you want it cover, large, banner, or title only, but I like the banner, so I'm going to keep it. Now you know your website needs to look colorful, so I'm going to teach you how to insert images. You come to insert, you can see they're already here, these content blocks. Now these are numbers of images you can add, so I'll be going for 4. You upload, this, okay, upload this, upload. Keep uploading pictures. If you want to, the ball is in your court, do whatever you want. Then let's upload the sunglass. Now because I want to link these pictures now to a subtitle, I'm not going to add text. But if you want to add text, just go ahead and do dress, do whatever you want to add under that. But for this video and for how I want my website to look, I'm going to delete them. Let's delete. Now this is my home page, but I want other pages because that's what a website is about. Now I'm going to go to pages and I will add, what is my new page going to be called? I will say collection. Done. You can see the home page and then the collection. But this collection, I want other sub pages under it. I'm going to click on sub page. Let's say shoes. Done. I want to show you how to connect sunglasses. Done. Another sub page. Dresses. Done. What other picture did we add? And bags. Done. Now to connect those pictures we put to these sub pages, go to your home. Now just click on it and link. You can link to whatever you want. This is dresses, so I'll link up, apply, link, bags, apply. I'll just link them up. Shoes, apply, sunglasses, apply. Now if I click on dresses, it's supposed to take me directly to one of these top page, but we're going to fill them up little by little. Now for the collection, for shoes, go to insert. Let's insert shoes. So if people come and they go to these collections, they go to shoes, they can see different types of shoes that you have. And let's click on this, upload. Okay, I'll click on this. Open. Upload. I'm going to search for another type of shoe. Now let me use this. Open. So you keep uploading. You know, that's what your website is about. You have to have different types of stuffs so people can come in and see what you have. Upload. Now what other shoe can I use? I'm trying to look for shoes. Okay. Okay, let's use this. Okay, now you do the same for other sub pages that you have. You do same for the sunglasses. You add them up, add what you can add up, and then when you are done, you can also add a footer. You can also add a footer where you could write something like visit us today at all social media platforms. Something like this. You can just, anything you want to put, align, you put in the middle, and then it also gives you, you can add spacer, then divide. Stuff like that. You add more text if you want. It also gives you space to add your social media links. Now these are links you can add for your Instagram and anything you have to add up for this page. You could add your YouTube videos. You can add sheets like your Google Drive, connected documents, a lot of things you can add. And when you are done, you can put up themes, font style, anything you want to put up. Now, when you are done editing this page to your taste, you click on publish. Now, what will be your web address? I'll choose House of Bara, obviously. Request public engineers to display my sites. Publish. Now, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like on your collection. You see shoes, you go to shoes, you see sunglasses. You know, I didn't add up all these things, but you can. I showed you how to insert them. You can still edit if you want and keep publishing. Now that will be that on how to show you how to create your own website on Google Sites. Now, I hope this video has been helpful to you. Till I see you next time. Bye.